Hey guys, it's DanRobzProbz here, and this is an ultimate TNT troll that I think is brilliant, and you guys really need to see this. So just imagine you're on a normal survival world and you've done this to your friend. So I found this temple, look. So as you do, out the way, you stupid skeleton. And you would come down here like you would, and it looks like a bog standard temple. So now I just want to light up this area so we can see. And just pretend I'm on survival. You would come down here. Let me put this in survival. Come down here. Actually, I'm just going to get a pickaxe. So you would come down here, and you would get all your loot, you know, like you would. And then you all know underneath here, right? There's TNT, yeah. Now, watch this. So you would break that, wouldn't you? And then you're safe, yeah? And then you would come down here, break all these, get your TNT, like you would, but I have something awesome to show you. So imagine you're down here and you're getting this TNT. I could make all of these this TNT. Now watch this. I'm just going to punch this TNT in the middle to break it. And look, it ignites! Ah! Oh god, that is awesome, isn't it? So I use my factions for this, just to show you, because I know there's a temple over there. So what that is a TNT that you punch, and it ignites when you punch it. Guys, that is awesome, isn't it, for a troll? Anyway, I'm going to show you quickly on the computer how you do this. This is using mob spawners and using the ID, the falling sand. So basically we're tricking Minecraft to thinking that it's falling sand, but when it's actually a falling TNT. But because we're making it a TNT, we can edit that TNT. So yeah, we'll jump on the laptop and I'll show you how I done this, alright? Sorry guys, something else I forgot to mention. You need to find and locate a mob spawner as well for this to work. Because you need to copy all the tags and stuff from this. And also you need to copy tags from a piece of falling sand. Like so. So that should be enough. Okay, now we're going to go on the PC. Okay guys, so we're on the Universal Minecraft editor now. And I want to locate my player, which I have. And then go on here, change this piece of sand I've got into a spawner, like so. Now I want to add a compound tag, and I call that tag, and now I want to add another compound tag and call that display. And inside there, go away you stupid things, and inside there I want to call that name, and then we're just going to call that TNT troll thingy. Yeah, you get the idea. So that is now a mob spawner named that. Now inside this tag one here, I want to add another compound tag and call this block entity tag, like so. And that's all we're going to do for a minute. And now these position tags here are very important because that's where I'm standing, and yeah, that's what I need to copy is the mob spawner and the falling sand. So as DanRobzProbz doesn't made the search feature yet, we have to do it like this first of all for now. So there we go, that's my coordinates. And there's the mob spawner, so we'll copy that, go back onto my players, and we paste that in there. Go up here, and we can go back to the chunk. And we just choose one of these falling blocks, which is falling sand. Go back to me and paste. Now in here we want to add all of this stuff, okay? So this is the mob spawner. We want to add all of these little tags here into here. Now what would have been quicker if I just delete that actually and copy that and paste that there, and now rename that block entity tag, that will save me a lot of time, because before I was actually copy and pasting that. I don't know why I never thought of that. So that's the mob spawner on the ground, but now we've got it in our hand. Now I want to change this ID to falling sand, like so. Oops, I forgot a G. There we go. And let's just change this a bit. So delay we'll put to 10. Max delay we'll put 100. It's going to say 1,000 and I don't know why. Minimum we'll just put 2. Spawn count we'll just want 1 at a time, because it will spawn quite a lot anyway. Spawn range 4, yeah, that's alright. And that's that. Now we go in spawn potentials, and this is a zombie. We don't want the zombie anymore. We want this block down here. So we copy that and paste that into there, and then we can get rid of that. Now this is our sand, okay? But first of all, before we do anything, we need to rename that entity, else it will not work. Yeah, so we've got this, and we open that up, and we want to delete position. We want to delete that, so we get loads of them. We want to change this to TNT, like so. Time, I'll just put 150, because I know that works. Data needs to be 1. And that's all that. Now, I want to add 2 things as well. So first is a byte tag, and this is called explode with a non-capital, guys. Just remember that. Now, what this does is when you punch the TNT, it will make like it's lit. Do you know what I mean? So that's like the best troll tactic ever. Trust me, it's really funny because people think, "Oh yeah, free TNT." Punch it, and they blow up. Now this one's quite a strange one. This is called a short tag. Okay, you don't use these that much. So this one we call it fuse. Now this is how long, you know, when it flashes white when it's primed. That's how long it's gonna do that for, you know, like bounce up and down. And my god, it goes up to 32,000. Yeah, that's how many seconds it takes till it blows up. So I'll just put 200 so you can see that it's different, if you know what I mean. And to be honest, guys, I think that is it, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is just save it and we'll test it quickly. Okay, so it's loading up. Let's see. So here's that spawner. TNT troll thingy. Yeah, I'm just going to get rid of them because that might cause problems. I don't know. And let's see if this works. Shall we, guys? There we go. You see that? Now, if I run up to it, look, there's no redstone anywhere. And all that, if I punch it. Oh, what is going on? It went black. You see that? That is awesome. So yeah, you can seriously troll people with this. So I can do that, look. And if I punch it, like I say, guys, this is amazing. I love it. Now, how I did that for the other thing was, what I did was just got pistons, but you need to be really careful. And you can push them, okay? Sorry, I was a bit confused then. That's really buggy, isn't it? What the hell is going on there? But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you troll with this TNT. I'm not sure if anyone knows this. I might be one of the first on console. I don't know. But anyway, I'm DanRobzProbz. Thanks very much for watching.